Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a little Aritzia spring haul because spring is right around the corner and I just couldn't be more excited. And it obviously includes some of the season's hottest trends like tie-dye. So keep watching to check it out. So let's go back to the beaches where I always make you laugh, to the forest where we found a hidden path, to the summertime of 2005 when we were still alive, when we were still alive. So let's go back to the beaches where I always make you laugh, to the forest where we found a hidden path, to the summertime of 2005 when we were still alive, when we were still alive. 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 Hope you guys enjoyed this little Aritzia spring haul. Let me know what your favorite trends are for the spring season or if you're absolutely hating all of the trends. See you next week.